I know there's someone, maybe a couple of people who are sitting maybe in Miami, maybe in Fort Lauderdale, or maybe somewhere else in South Florida and saying, okay, you got me. This is something I'd really like to pursue. What would be the best way for them to get in touch with you guys?
Well, I mean, first things first, check out our website, McCawley.com. That's a great place to start. There's a lot of information on that website. Also give us a call. I mean, 954-522-3228. That is going to be all our front desk. They are very knowledgeable on the topic, so they can answer a lot of those questions for you. And I mean, make an appointment. That's going to be the only way to really know, do I have bad breath or do I not? Because we're able to actually get you in, test you, and then we're able to see, if it is there, then we're able to treat it as well. So that's going to be something that's going to be very important. And we're located in South Florida, basically the heart of South Florida, Fort Lauderdale, downtown. So it's centrally located. Anywhere in South Florida, you can get to us fairly easily. And then, even people from out of town, we've gotten people from all over the state and even all over the country. So, don't even have to limit yourself as far as that goes.
I had a patient fly in from Hawaii, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So the first exam is a sophisticated exam where we do all these spatial tests. It takes about 2 hours. We'll also diagnose if you have gum disease or if you have any significant cavities and take x-rays. So it's a really comprehensive exam, like you've never seen before, to get to the bottom of any dental problem, but focusing primarily on your bad breath.
Yeah. So we focus on the bad breath and also any other underlying dental issues. We can diagnose those as well, because even something like like a failing cavity or something like that, if you've got a rotten tooth, that can contribute to bad breath as well. I mean, most of it comes from the tongue and elsewhere as well, as far as the bacteria. But if you've got a tooth legitimately going bad and abscessing, that can contribute as well. So we want to be able to diagnose everything, and that takes some time. And there's a lot of tests involved with what we do.
And we'll check for gum disease, and we check with the microscope to see if you have any of the bacteria that are associated with bad breath or that are associated with gum disease. And so we help you get rid of those bacteria in addition, the bacteria between the teeth.